calling all amateur stargazers. Maybe you don't own a telescope, maybe you look up at the sky and have a casual interest and occasionally point out Orion or the Plough. We're going to see some of the best planetary alignments with the most planets in more or less alignment for 40 or 50 years. You might have noticed some particularly bright stars. They're actually planets. If they're not twinkling, that's how you know the difference. Stars twinkle, planets are solid. So if you're interested and you want to know what you're looking at up there in the sky, Stellarium app or other stargazing apps, which are free, available on App Store and Google Play, are really life-changing. They're amazing. And I will show you why this app is necessary if you've got any interest whatsoever and you don't already have this kind of a thing. Of course, any footage I take on this phone is useless, but this is for the people with a casual interest, not the astrophotographers, obviously any astrophysicists out there. And of course, if any of this is inaccurate or you have more information or other things to add, please do let us know in the comments, because this is about learning from scratch. The planets visible to the naked eye at the moment: Venus was very proximate to the crescent moon the other night, and that really was stunning. Even in the middle of London with lights everywhere. Jupiter, very, very bright and near the moon recently. Mars definitely has a pinkish reddish hue. Saturn, you won't see Saturn's rings without a telescope. I don't know about binoculars. Those are the planets you'll see easily. You'll need a telescope to see Uranus. Neptune may be visible with a telescope, I'm not sure. I need to double check that. Mercury is joining everybody for a bit at the end. Mercury's busy, probably retrograding somewhere. But it's a very exciting time. If you are interested, you will see some very, very bright looking, what I used to think were just stars. No, it's the planets. This is only if you know where to look, and this is where the app is brilliant, because download Stellarium app or similar. There's rival apps, but my favourite is that one. Just point it at the sky and you will get a map and a chart, and you can zoom in and out. You can see constellations, star signs, 360 degrees, 24/7. Pointing it downwards, checking where the sun is at night. I always like doing that. Oh look, it's down by Australia. It's important to be able to track these things. I like to know where Andromeda is, even if it's cloudy. I like to know that it's over there. Track around with your app, zoom in and out. You can get a real sense of where things are. It's life-changing. I'm out of this field. This is incredible. And it's fairly cloudy. Just with the naked eye. We've got Mars, Jupiter, the moon. Really bright. That is Venus. Can you see the red Saturn? No, Venus. I recognise you from the other night. It is actually an arc. And what's so exciting is that Mars looks so red. You start to recognise them with the naked eye. It's so cool. I'm just trying to work out. Saturn is somewhere. That's a blue sky. It's the opposite. But that's Venus, Moon, Jupiter, and Mars. They're the ones I'm confident about. When it says they're aligned, it's meaning in the same 180 degree from the ground upwards. You'll be able to see them all. Just putting the recycling out, but that's Jupiter. And it's so bright. Just to give you a sense. So let's do a spectacular Gemini Venus as well surrounding it. It's such an exciting thing to see Mars. Let's put Panorama to the background. And I think the bit that I love is that it's going on for weeks. Pick a night. You don't need to race out. Venus, Moon, Jupiter, Mars.